Around 20 Tangkhul civilians, including women and children, traveling for a wedding were allegedly abducted by Kuki militants, triggering tension and exchange of fire between Tangkhul village volunteers and the militants. According to information received by Impact News, the incident occurred around 9 a.m. today near Shangkai Kuki village under Militant police station in Ukhrul district, where a passenger winger vehicle travelling from Ukhrul to Imphal and two other private vehicles heading to Ukhrul for a wedding were stopped by armed Kuki groups. The militants reportedly seized the mobile phones and belongings of the passengers before holding them captive. Sources from Tangkhul organizations and CSOs claim that the civilians were taken away toward Mongkot Chefu Kuki village in the presence of Central Security Forces. Following the incident, Tangkhul village volunteers reportedly confronted the Kuki militants, leading to exchange of gunfire near Thawai village, also known as Thawi Kuki village in Ukhrul district. No casualties have been officially confirmed so far. Meanwhile, several Tangkhul organizations, including the Tangkhul Naga Long, have condemned the incident and demanded the immediate release of the abducted civilians. Reports also said one resident of Shangkai Kuki village was hit by a bullet on the leg in the firing. The injured person had gone to install water pipe with another villager who remains traceless till the time of filing this report. Tangkhul village volunteers also set fire to some huts at Shangkai village.